Hi, my name is Johan, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Pronerve6 before actually buying the product. I have some important alerts to share, so stay until the end of the video, and I'll tell you. The first thing you need to know about Pronerve6 is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because Pronerve6 is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Pronerve6 is really helping athletes, the elderly, and young people. It is also helping people to sleep again without that constant stiff neck or back pain. So, listen up. Instead of taking medications that only relieve pain, why not use Pronerve6, which goes directly to the root of the problem and solves it so that you no longer have nerve problems? Think about it. I will leave the official Pronerve6 page in the description box just below this video. Once you decide to start using it, great. You should go directly there to make a purchase and also learn a bit more about it. Anyway, folks, Pronerve6 stands out in the market today for having a really well-crafted blend of natural ingredients. We are talking about ingredients that are anti-inflammatory and also antioxidants. These ingredients target the root cause of the pain, that burning sensation or ache, and make it disappear. Of course, it starts healing from within. As I said, this is really great for joint pains and also muscle pain, but it mainly targets nerve pain. As soon as you give Pronerve6 a try, people who have that lower back pain or neck pain, usually I feel very stiff in that area, but it's because of my posture and the way I sleep, which leads to those pains. Luckily, Pronerve6 is here to help you get instant relief from these situations. It also helps you to sleep, regain your mobility, and your freedom, so you are not someone who suffers all the time, right? But of course, Pronerve6 is a treatment, so once you start using Pronerve6, you need to take it very seriously because it is something you need to use every single day for a period of time. They recommend a treatment of 3 to 6 months. You need to remember to take 1 or 2 capsules every day. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Pronerve6. If you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. Now, here's a crucial warning. If you're looking to try Pronerve6, I strongly recommend purchasing only from the official manufacturer's website. This ensures you get the genuine product and avoids potential scams. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Alright folks, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until next time.